Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to block or disable control panel and Windows settings in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me open a control panel. So right now it's not being disabled or not being blocked. So let me open the Windows settings too. So this is the Windows settings. So I have not disabled or not blocked yet. So by default we don't have any such option to block or disable control panel and Windows settings. So for this what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search search for one application named as Windows Settings Blocker. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. You will see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here two kinds of WS blocker. So the first file is for the 32-bit operating system, and the second one which you can see WS blocker into 64 is for the 64-bit. So if you're using a 64-bit Windows operating system, then just use the 64-bit, and if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then use the first one. So just double click on it. Now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So on the above you will see here option disable blocking. So if you click on it, you can see tons of options like hide pages, so only pages, or block settings pages. That means the last one, the number 3, will completely block the Windows settings, and here you can see so only pages. That means only the various options will be shown, and hide pages, that means only the respective pages that you have selected will be hidden, and the first one is disable blocking, right? So if you want to completely block the Windows settings, then just click on this block setting pages and click on this tick mark save settings. Now just minimize it and let me try to double click on this Windows settings icon. So you can see here it's automatically closing. That means I have disabled it. Now in order to enable or unblock it again, just select this disable blocking and click on this tick mark again. Just minimize it. Now let us try to reopen the Windows settings. So finally we have enabled it again. And if you want to hide the particular pages, then just select this hide pages, and you can select the various options like Bluetooth, whatever you like, network, Bluetooth, personalizations, tons of options here. So you can check out by yourself. And now if you want to block the control panel, then just click on this option icon, and now just select this control panel option, click on yes. Now once again click on this disable blocking option. Now you will get a similar options like the Windows setting option to hide pages or show only pages or block control panel. So if you want to completely block the control panel, then just select this 3 number option and once again click on this tick mark. Now minimize it. Now let us reopen the control panel. So you can see here the operation has been cancelled due to the restriction. So you can see, so let us try to reopen again. So you can see here. So now let us try to enable or unblock it again. Just select the disable blocking. Once again click on this tick mark. And let us try to reopen the control panel. Now you can see we have enabled it again. So by using this application named as Windows Settings Blocker, you can easily block or disable control panel and Windows settings in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.